Alright, how you doing? This is Johnny here. I got a little issue here where I did not think I was having enough volume for my air compressor for painting this hot rod that I'm doing. So we decided rather than going with a new compressor, we have to get a dryer and everything. I teed this compressor off to another compressor. So I just added a tee behind my reducer, and then I put an inline filter and dryer in, and then that's going to go to the air gun. When I'm not using the air gun, I teed it off on the other side, and this will run the regular hose for air tools. So painting, non-painting. Teed to the compressor, and now we have everything we need here. So then the line of this compressor here, I double tapped with two males with a union. And then you come in so you don't get air blowing like crazy on you. That comes in and feeds it. So now I'll run over there, ran my hose over, and I run it to a pancake compressor with another, another 8 gallons of volume, and then I got another pump that's running it. So now this one will run and start building up that one. So let's see what happens here. Now we're running the one. Air's running into there. That's my regulator shutting off, and I'm building up pressure here. There we go, we're starting to build pressure. Sound good, we're on auto here. So with this compressor I can plug in. I'm gonna run the dual volume. So now, if this compressor loses power, coming up pretty fast. I have that one. This one they're dual feeding. This one kicks off at about 90 psi. We'll see how we do. We got 80. We're gonna go higher because the little guy runs at about 130. Now the other one, this one's kicked in at about 100 psi. The other one will still run, but we'll regulate him down to about 100. That was set at 100 psi. That one's set to about 100 on the output. And this one's set to about 100. Just wait for this guy to kick off and I think we'll be good. turn that guy off because he's noisy. But there you go. You got dual compressors running now for volume. Air dryer on the one side for painting. Regular for regular tools. Got a little bit of a leak on my alternator, but that's because this fitting is old. I'll probably change this fitting out to get rid of that noise. Oh, actually, I got the leak here. There we go. Dual feed alternator, not alternator, compressor from 2 compressors. So now you run 2 pumps to get your job done so you don't run out of volume when you're painting. Not bad. All right, man. This will be for painting this hot rod next week. So I was a little nervous about the stuff. I'm all set. I got the gun. We are ready to go. All right, man. Take care.